Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to unpin an email on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, you may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application. That's okay. Now what we will do is unpin an email from our account, as we no longer require these emails to be at the top of the trot. However, if you do not have any unpinned emails, you may be required to watch the previous tutorial, which will be available at the end of this video, and then come back to this video in order to know how to unpin, pin, and then unpin. So on screen, we have a couple of emails that we have pinned to the top. Let's now unpin. Very easy procedure. Click on the email, or you don't even have to click on the email. Now click on the pin sign. This will automatically unpin that email. If we right click, can we unpin? Yes, we can. There we go, and we have now unpinned both of those emails that were pinned to the top of the trot. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.